change this tube, it's very easy. Bicycle, not like this, any bicycle, this bolt remover you need to purchase. This is the 15 number of the bolt remover. As I purchased this one tube is a 20. So I am purchasing this tire tube for Harl New Bolt based on Denmark store, and I will show you how to replace this tube for this bicycle. And here is the tiny electric pump. So first of all, we can remove this one. So like this. Afterward, you need to open this tire as well, the screwdriver. I tried 2-3 times to fix this tube, but unfortunately I am unsuccessfully to fix this tube, so not a problem. And then I purchased this one. It's very easy. First of all, I can try this tube is okay or not using this tiny electric pump. Turn it on. So the tube is perfectly okay and perfectly matched for this bicycle as well. How I decided this size is exactly correct because of the 12 into 2.12 125, the same number is available on this particular tire. So accordingly I searched this one on internet and then I ordered this one. So now I fix very easy in the tire. So fix properly like this, and then providing little visor. So same trick you should apply in bigger bicycle as well. To simply remove your tire, put it the pressure, and it's perfectly fine. And fix the visor. And now I just simply fill out the ear. Tire pressure is 26. I put it here in 22. Perfect. Only 20 krona I spent here, and my bicycle is ready for my son. And afterward, how you open as it is, you should fix your tire. It's done. Very easy to fix tube in the bicycle, no matter which bicycle you are using. Hope you enjoy this video.